Welcome to another edition of the Wax Busters. Today we'll be busting a box of 2007 Rookie SP Threads. Here we go.
That pack. Right up close and personal too.
I am.
Oh well, I got a thick card. Start right out with my Letterman, I guess. Okay. Maybe not. We got Lawrence Maroney, dual jersey.
A lot of him pulled.
Next one's pretty nice.
There's Maroney, dual jersey.
We got Chris Henry, Marshawn Lynch, Adrian Peterson, triple jersey. Ooh, and that one's a nice one too.
Is the number to know? No?
Anthony Gonzalez, dual patch.
Ooh.
That's a pretty good one to get. Man, Drew Brees.
Pretty nice.
Drew Brees, babe.
And I am dropping cards everywhere.
Well, the corners aren't dinged, thankfully.
Apparently they don't number money in these things.
Pack 2. No, this must be a Letterman. Yeah, this is all big. Here comes a Letterman. Bang! Leon Hall.
Leon Hall.
Number 250. Man, you figure they throw in like...
Autograph is pretty faded. Shows a
jersey.
pretty good Leon Hall.
3 hits. 3 hits. Jamarcus Russell, number 1 pick. Zach Miller, another Raider autograph. Sidney Rice, dual jersey.
Sidney Rice. Not quite Adrian Peterson. Same color jersey.
Come on. Let's get some money, baby, right here. Right here. Vince Young, dual jersey.
That.
Brandon Jackson, dual jersey.
And a lot of duels. 2 colors, that's cool.
Patrick Willis, draft day ink auto.
Another Patrick Willis autograph.
There
There you go. What do we got? 2 packs left?
2 packs left.
And 1 Letterman coming.
I think I got my Letterman right here.
Looks like it.
You can say that name for me.
Nay.
Did they just put no names in the Lettermans?
This one is numbered to 250.
250. Alright, let's get something really sweet here. I'm going to implode. Steve Smith.
It's not him, is it?
Michael Bush.
Do you want to do it now?
Garbage. This is absolutely garbage. Bing!
That's how we feel about Michael Bush. Alright.
Ooh, Jamarcus Russell. Dwayne Bowe.
That's a nice card.
Nice.
22 out of 75.
God,
Makes up for that other crappy player on the Oakland Raiders named Michael Bush. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching.
I'll give him a shot of all of it.
Oh, you want a shot of all of it?
Show him it all. Look at all that stuff.
Yeah, I got a few Jamarcus Russells in here.
I'm pulling a lot of him.
Some Vince Young. Where's that cool little Anthony Gonzalez patch? There it is.
Pretty sweet patch.
In the triple relic. And there's Leon Hall and the other guy. Alright, I guess I'll let you guys go.